Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn our lesson number 6, getting to know the place we live in. Try this. Find the name of town in the word puzzle given below. Now this is going to be a fun. Let's do it. Here is Pune. That is Kolhapur. This is Latur. That is Thane. This is Satara. That's Pen. That's Nasik. Now let us understand how does a town form. In very old time, before man began farming, he lived a nomadic life. He was dependent on hunting animals and gathering fruits, roots and bulb for food. Later, man learned to grow crops. He began to settle where he found suitable land and water. People began to build houses in such places and settle there. They began to help each other in farming. Their houses were close by. Thus, settlements were formed. The settlements began to grow bigger. Many settlements merged together to form a village. People felt safer living in such settlements. As farming developed, people had to do different kinds of work. One person could not do all of them, so work was divided between the people. For example, making wooden implements, repairing them, weaving clothes, making jewelry, and making clay pots. Thus, there were artisans engaged in different occupations. Can you tell which historical buildings, monuments, objects, etc. are seen in your area? A village, town, or city has buildings such as temples, caves, mosques, churches, memorials, forts, museums, etc. A place become known by these buildings. They tell us about the richness of the place. They help us to understand our history. These buildings are our treasures. They must be protected. To protect them is our responsibility. A place may also become famous because of a religious place, fair, or fort. For example, Raigad district is known for the Raigad fort. Do you know, student? While returning from Surat, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj stopped near Talegaon, Dindori in Nasik district. He had set up his army camp or Tal, there giving the place the name Talegaon. Dhamangao Pat in Ahmednagar district was so named because formerly there was an abundance of Dhaman trees there. There is a village called Asti Dhotar Zodyachi in Partur Taluka of Jalna district. Fine dhotar zodis of excellent quality were made there. This gave the village its name. Shivram Hari Rajguru was an important revolutionary in India's struggle for freedom. He was one of the three famous revolutionaries, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and Sukhdev. Rajguru was born in Khed in Pune district. After elementary education, he moved to Amravati. There at the Hanuman Vyayamshala, he took up the cause of patriotism. At 15 years of age, he went to Banaras to study Sanskrit. He knew several languages such as Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi, Urdu, and English. Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev were his close friends. Later, he took part in revolutionary activities and became a martyr for the country. In this memory, Khed, his birthplace, has been renamed Rajguru Nagar. Try this. World Heritage Day. 18th April is World Heritage Day. On this day, pay a visit to a fort or national monuments. Learn about its importance. Collect information about the rules for protecting World Heritage sites. Obtain pictures of historical buildings, monuments, and old vadas in your surroundings. Stick them in frames. Just as a place becomes renowned because of fort or historical buildings, it also gains renown because of its people and their good deeds. Collect information about soldiers, writers, artists, etc. in your neighborhood. Invite them to your school and interview them. Do you know, children? Sant Gadge Maharaj's real name was Debuji Jhingraji Zanorkar. He belonged to Shengav in Daryapur Taluka of Amravati district. Sant Gadge Baba read social awareness through kirtans. During his kirtan, he would ask people questions and answer them himself. Why are our people poor? Because they do not have education. He appealed to the people to get educated. He is known as one of the great sons of the 20th century. His village will forever be remembered for his work in the service of people. Try this. Visit a weekly market and meet a shopkeeper there. Interview him with the help of the following questions. Let me tell about the questions. Question number 1. How many years have you been in this occupation? Question number 2. Which items do you sell in your shop? Question number 3. Where do you get these items from? Question number 4. What means of transport are used to carry the goods? People in village are depend on weekly markets for their daily needs. These markets sell all essential items, mainly food grains, vegetables, farming implements, clothes, etc. become available here. The market is also the place where people can meet one another and inquire about each other's well-being. Do you know, student, there are different types of market. For example, flower market, fruit market, as well as animal market to buy and sell animals such as donkeys and horses. Jejuri in Pune district and Madhi in Ahmednagar district known for their donkey market. Malegaon in Nanded district is known for the donkey and horse markets. Place come to be known for reasons such as these. Find the name of person, places, relations, animals and vegetables hidden in the puzzle alongside. First, there is find the name of person. Well, I found the name of person Anand, Devika, Deepak. Now, places Nanded, UAE. Relations sister, niece. Animals sheep. Vegetable spinach.